Welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been so long. I'm always gonna have to say that. Hopefully not. One day. I pray for consistency and I'm gonna get there. Also, sorry if my eyes are squinting. I'm outside. As you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but we're currently in my garage, which means we're filming a DIY. I'm super excited because this is a project I've had in mind for like 6 months now, which is pretty pathetic that it took me this long to get it done. However, we're here and I'm excited, okay? So this is a idea that I got inspired by the Sorry Girls here on YouTube. So I will link their video in the description. I love to watch their videos. They like design, they like DIYing, they like all of that good stuff. So of course I like their channel. So I basically copied them. I copied exactly what they did in that video that I linked. So if you guys want to check out their version, watch it. I'm sure the video will be better than mine. However, I'm hoping that I still come out with a really good product. I guess by now you can tell what I'm gonna be making, and it's a very big, large grid mirror. So I'm really excited to add this to my house. That's even the more exciting part than filming it, but I'm also excited to show you guys and have you guys watch it with me. Like always, I appreciate you guys for watching, and if you guys could please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm really working on getting monetized this year. That is my goal. So if you guys would subscribe and interact, and you can also turn on the post notifications so that way you get notified when I actually post a video. Hopefully it's more frequently. Your girl's working on herself, but nonetheless, I thank you guys for watching and always tuning in. I hope you guys like the product. Come along with me. Thanks. So here's the wood that we're gonna use to make the base of the mirror, and right now we're just going to measure everything, get all of our pieces cut so we can start putting it together. Look at this, how we do it, y'all. Clearly we got to do everything the ghetto way, because we ain't got all the shit we need, but we still make it happen. This is proof that you don't need everything to be able to start doing shit, honestly. Build it up. wood filler everywhere. Wood filler, wood filler, wood filler. Then dry. Then sand, wood filler, wood filler, wood filler. Then clean up, sweep, 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 sweep. Get all this shit out of here so everything be like blown, you know, clean. Lay the tarp out. Put on top. Spray that bitch. Dry. Then we're gonna come in and glue the mirrors. So first of all, look at where we're at. This was a lot of work and we made a lot of mistakes, but look at where we're at. Very exciting. We decided that we were going to add trim to the side to give it a cleaner look. This is all gonna be black, right? So keep that in mind. But like, look at how much cleaner that edge is with the trim. It's seamless. So therefore, it's not gonna look hella DIY, because look underneath, like all that wood, we're gonna cover it right up. So I'm really excited. It's all coming together and I can't wait to take a selfie. Look at him. You thought I was just giving you a compliment?
You said what?
I said you thought I was just giving you a compliment?
Is that crazy?
No, it's not. I was just asking. It was a question. Imperfections, mismeasurements, which we have a lot of with wood filler. So that way it will look better than it looks right now. This just gives you a more seamless look, makes it look like you measured everything exactly correct. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go and do right now. We got a lot of spots, so it might take us a minute. Going to be gluing these into each one of these squares. We got these off of Amazon. I will make sure to link them in the description box in case you want to get them. But the Sorry Girls use the IKEA ones, but those ones were out of stock, so I just got mine off of Amazon. So here we go. as you guys can see, this is the final result, and I'm so happy with the way that it turned out. I think this has to be one of our best DIYs yet. It makes such a big difference in our space, and I can't wait to take selfies in it. So, like always, I just want to thank you guys for sticking around to the end of the video and watching the whole thing. And as always, if you could please remember to subscribe to our channel, give this a thumbs up, and share. That really helps our channel. We'll see you next time.